friends! This channel is going viral, getting millions of views and earning thousands of dollars. You can see for yourself how many views their videos get. One video has 37.9 million views. The next has 23.3 million views. And another has 150 million views. These videos show things like what benefits eating fruits gives, what harm alcohol causes, or how any similar habits affect your body. You can check this channel's earnings on the website oxmo.com. Just copy and paste the channel name, and you will see that one video's estimated earnings per video are $1,533.90. Some videos even earn more than $4,500 per video. You can also check on another website by pasting the channel name, and it shows the same estimated income of $1,533.90 per video. That you can also easily make videos like this and start your own channel. I will show you step by step for free how to do everything. Before we get started, if you are new, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT. After that, crop the image using the snipping tool. You can also get the prompt from my YouTube description. I will give it to you. You just have to comment, and I will send you the prompt. After uploading the image, you have to write this: I want to create an image exactly like this. Give me for best images exactly like this, with the full face visible and nothing written on top. The image prompt you need perfectly matching your requirements. Once you receive the prompt, your next step is very simple. Just write this on ChatGPT. Now, looking at these for images, write a motivational story similar to them about how drinking alcohol or very harmful. ChatGPT create a story for you that feels exactly like the one you want about how drinking alcohol affects your health and what things are actually good for your health. We will create the AI images. Leonardo.ai is a very good website for creating AI images. First, open the website and set the size to 9.16, then select Phoenix 1.0. After that, paste your prompt. Within a few moments, the image will start generating. You just need to paste each prompt one by one. After all the prompts are added, you will see that the images have been created beautiful and high quality. This is how you can create AI images on Leonardo.ai. I will copy the prompts from ChatGPT and paste them here one by one, and you will see how amazing the images turn out. Once the images are ready, you can simply download the ones you like. Leonardo.ai is a powerful AI platform designed for creating high-quality images, characters, and visual assets with incredible detail and speed. It offers advanced models, user-friendly controls, and customizable styles, making it perfect for artists, designers, and content creators. With features like image generation, image-to-image editing, prompt enhancement, and consistent character creation, Leonardo.ai helps users bring their ideas to life effortlessly. Whether you need 3D visuals, realistic artwork, or animated concepts, this tool delivers fast, professional, and creative results. Now the AI images are ready, and they look great. Next, we will create the AI voice. There is a free tool called Unlimited AI Text-to-Speech, and it is one of the best tools for generating AI voices. You can use it for free on unlimitedai.tools. You can also create free AI images, but here I will show you how to generate AI voice for free. If you cannot find the tool, just comment, and I will give you the link. You can create AI voice on this tool easily, and it gives free daily credits. Believe me, it works very well. Now I have opened the AI text-to-speech generator. I will copy my chat prompt and paste it into the box, then select any voice. There are many voices available. Blaze and Alex are the best, but for demonstration, I will select any voice. After that, I click Generate. Remember, it can generate up to 1,000 words at once. If your script is longer, you can split it into 4 parts and create the complete voice in sections. Now the voice is ready, and you can listen to it. This is how you create AI voice. Next, we will create the AI video. The first website is called degen.ai. It is an excellent and powerful platform that gives you 300 free credits, which are enough to create around 10 AI videos. After that, it also gives daily credits, allowing you to keep making AI videos easily. As you can see, my account currently has over 4,800 credits because this ID has been logged in for many days. That's why I can create many videos on this website without any issues. If you want to create a large number of AI videos, Degen.ai is one of the best websites for you. The best part is that even if you don't use the account daily, it still continues to add free credits automatically, just like it has in my account. Now, we will create AI videos on this website. It is a very good platform. First, click on Create, then go to Upload. I will first upload the image. Then paste the prompt for that image and click Generate. The video will start creating. Similarly, I will upload the second image, paste its prompt, and click Generate. The video creation will start for that image as well. This process takes a little time, but using this method, you can create 2 AI videos. You can start making high-quality videos of 10 to 15 minutes easily on this platform. The second website is called Pixverse.ai. It is an excellent platform where you can create high-quality, realistic cinematic AI videos easily when you start. It gives you 120 credits on a new Gmail login. Normally, it gives 80 credits, which are enough to make 6 videos easily. After that, it provides daily credits, allowing you to create up to 3 videos every day. Pixverse.ai is a very powerful and useful tool for making AI videos. Here, I click on Create and upload the first image, then paste its prompt. Each AI video costs 20 credits. Once I click Generate, the video starts creating. You can see how amazing the AI image looks. It's truly impressive. Now I will download it. This way, you can create AI videos on both websites. However, if you want the best free AI video platform that gives the most benefits, the website is Degen.ai. It provides a lot of free credits, making it the best choice. For the final video editing, I will use CapCut. CapCut is a very good software for editing videos. It's easy to use, free, and packed with features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. I will edit the video here, add effects, and make it ready. As you can see, my video is complete. Thanks for watching. Next time, if you have any questions related to the video, feel free to message me in the comments, and I will answer. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I will share another method. Thanks again for watching.